Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X200 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So, to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture, which for me, that will be the home screen, which is already open and visible on my display. And once your content is open and visible for you, like the home screen is for me, all you will need to do is hold power button and volume down at the same time. You get this sound along with the pop-up with long screenshot option and the share, and it disappears after a moment. It also gives you this kind of one-time pop-up letting you know that you can also capture a screenshot by a 3-finger swipe down on a screen instead of the button combination that I just showed you. So the outcome is exactly the same. Now once you have captured your screenshots, you can find them in the album application, and you will want to navigate to albums and screenshots, and in here you'll find all the screenshots that I have captured over the time of using this phone. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.